Ever wondered how your voice assistant converts text to speech? It's a fascinating process called speech generation, or text-to-speech (TTS) technology. This technology converts written text into spoken word, mimicking natural human speech, complete with intonation and emotion. HuggingFace, a front-runner in the AI community, has made significant strides in this field. It provides a vast library of models and tools for a variety of AI tasks, including speech generation. Its text-to-speech models enable the creation of natural-sounding speech in numerous languages and voices, making it a valuable resource for developers. Now, imagine an automation layer that simplifies the process of generating speech even further. That's where AutoGen comes in. It works in tandem with HuggingFace's models, enabling the easy creation of conversational AI agents and integrating speech generation capabilities into applications without requiring in-depth technical expertise in AI or linguistics. Before you start utilizing these tools, it's essential to set up your development environment correctly. This involves installing necessary Python libraries like datasets, SoundFile, SpeechBrain, and Accelerate, along with HuggingFace's Transformers library. These provide the fundamental elements required to train and deploy TTS models. Converting text to speech is simplified by HuggingFace's pipeline method, which abstracts much of the complexities involved in utilizing TTS models. By selecting a suitable model such as Suno Bark for multilingual speech, or Microsoft Speech T5 TTS for end-to-end speech synthesis, generating natural-sounding speech becomes a breeze. Output: pre-trained models offer a quick start, but fine-tuning these models on specific datasets can significantly enhance their performance and output quality. This involves selecting the right dataset, pre-processing the data for the model, and optimizing the training process. Advancements in speech generation technologies, led by platforms like HuggingFace and tools like AutoGen, have opened up new opportunities for developers. As these technologies continue to evolve, the potential applications of speech generation will expand, promising a future where human-computer interaction becomes more seamless and intuitive. Whether you are a seasoned developer or a newcomer to the field, HuggingFace's comprehensive resources and AutoGen's ease of use offer a powerful toolkit for incorporating speech generation into your projects. So, that's a wrap. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of AI and speech generation. Thank you for tuning in.